UK ho. What they say Nkrumah so for US. Aba any other but to be interestingly Nkrumah Kraba wa ma Ghana direct no onye part of the block or no by Liberia and no
we are hearing this for the first time.
Oh yes, Kwame Nkrumah was in Liberia. And Tina, some of us will tell you because I had that's for another thing. Nkrumah, Ghanaians have still not told us the history of Kwame Nkrumah's father. I'm talking about their father as in the real father. Okay. Say which nationality was he?
His
of course,
father.
he was Liberian. So because Ghanaian, and yet Nigeria for the Ghanaian yesero, but Kutie Kwame Nkrumah speech, he never mentioned Ghanaian. He was the one who was mentioning Ghanaian. And then when even he came to Liberia, leading to so Obabe joined UGCC for the first thing Nkrumah Koyen, Liberia White House, no Misu 2 gate, Bako Black Army Nefaho and Bako White Sfaho. So Utie Nkrumah first speech on the soil of Liberia, that are not my Ghana. Also, how can a white man come to my own fatherland? Listen to this. I can come to my own fatherland and instruct which gate where black should pass and where white should pass.
That was in Liberia.
That was in Liberia.
Speech, you know.
And make his speech, you know. Until if we check all over the world, land, a country is in the image of a man. So every country is fatherland. We don't have motherland anywhere. But also Ghana, English for no training or colonize or chill English, you know. Ghana is my motherland. Where? But England is my fatherland. Germany is my fatherland. America is my fatherland. There's nothing called motherland
except Ghana.
History distortions. Ghana for hide a lot of history. Intina omuntimi highlight say be independence do Nkrumah no of away. Ne no obare no before even Fati ano. Oma sensa sa family no. Ne no sa oba no way. Ne busuafo way. Oba ne tiasa.
Dr. Francis Nkrumah am I mean okay?
Yes, they also on Ghana ni
and Francis Nkrumah yeah.
Oba man family. They haven't highlighted that. What they say. And Nkrumah had even sober watcher. He had one date of birth in August and was September when. And then even the name Kofi Wia, which was also known in Liberia at the time, no, where did that name go? What I say? And there were a lot of Ghana history, confusion, but we will not deal that. It will be a long subject.